Oh boy, time to tackle cleaning under the kitchen sink. Not always fun and not looking for perfection at this moment, but I would like to wipe it all clean, declutter, and get it more organized as my mom always had it in this house. I began by taking everything out of the cabinet under the sink. Since I'm not here every single day, I wasn't too sure what was here and what others may had placed under this sink, to be quite honest. As I was taking all the items out, I was already getting ahead of myself thinking how nice it would be to buy some really cute storage bins for this job. Don't you hate that? Like almost an excuse to stop the project until I purchased some trendy storage bins to make this area pop. But I had to rethink my process, continue on, and just get this done. That should be in the garage. My mom was once a sales rep for Tupperware back in the day, so she has a lot of their products still, and she finds ways to use them all. It's funny, it's cute. I think once these are scrubbed and washed again, they will work perfectly for storing some of the items, making it not necessary to purchase more storage bins just for the sake of it. I was facing all the sunlight while our feet swung freely from the bridge. You asked if I'd save you, if you were crazy enough to take a swim. I try to make you see. Cool, I'll need those. That is. Okay. Faithful like a blind girl's dog. We were walking on the sidewalk when we bumped into this person that I knew. Don't need that. Hey, hon, did you need a toothbrush, you said?
Yes.
Will that work?
Yep. Yeah, it's empty. Go under the sink.
Yeah, that doesn't go here. Mold and mildew, that doesn't go here. So these can actually go into the bathroom. This one is empty. Toss. These can definitely go here. This is still good. Vinegar. Hand cleaner.
This is a shower.
All method, shower and club. It's just a little bit. That can also go into the bathroom there. I can probably refill and get rid of that one. This one is for the floors. I don't know. They might have used this for like maybe spraying disinfecting. Maybe that's what they did. Comment, yes. Lysol can go also in the bathroom. So these stuff here can go into the bathroom. These can probably go down. This one probably just go in the garage. That doesn't really need to be here. I'm not too sure exactly what Touch of Orange is. World's Top Wood Cleaner and Reconditioner. I'm a pledge kind of person. This is what my mom always used. This is her recipe with Parsons cleaner for floors. A gallon of water and 1/2 cup of Parsons. And it does really work. If you have any buildup though, but that's pretty harsh. But she uses this for extra heavy duty cleaning. So I'm going to keep a little bit of that. A mirror. So that will stay. That will stay. These are some brushes I'm sure we're going to need. And then I just need to wash that. Epsom salt. That's been a couple of years old. I don't know. Try to get a new one. This is eraser pads. Definitely need that. And then we have these cute little dustpans, which really don't need to go underneath the sink. Okay, we washed all of these containers, scrubbed and washed, and just air drying for the time being. I'm super happy to see these cleaned and ready to be reused. Now it's time to vacuum and wipe down inside the cabinet and check for any leaks or repairs. Ta-da! Looks so much better. We placed everything like the brushes, extra sponges, tools in there, and then just regular dishwashing soaps. And then in this tray, I just placed all of the cleaning products for here. And in this tray is like all of the Cascade, Jet Dry, stuff like that. I'm really satisfied cleaning under the kitchen sink today. Now all I need to order is a liner that will fit perfectly in this area. What cleaning project are you going to tackle today? Write it down in the comments below. I hope this gave someone out there in YouTube land some kind of motivation to get up and tackle a project. That looks so much better. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. I really do. I hope you click on my face to subscribe if you haven't already done so. Leave me a comment, thumbs up, and click on the next video for more cleaning motivation. This is Dee. Peace out.